Clover Kids, we're doing the steak sub
with salad challenge.
So they're gonna make their own steak sub however they like. We got steaks, the steak meat to the steak sub, and the bread. Wait, let's do this first. Then you get 100, okay? We got this for me because they're not allowed to use the knife to cut the tomato. We got tomato. We got some cheese. We got some salami. And salad. Okay. So each one. Okay, give me. So we can start with the bread. You start with the bread. I already cooked the steak. We had a seasoning because we can eat meat that is not seasoned. So we cut the bread and split it open. Oh, this now you don't cut so good. Okay, this one's Sayon. Put in the Sayon, hold on. Okay.
Tomato there. Tomato there.
Oh, we gotta get the ball sauce.
It is with the sandwich. I'm just kidding.
This knife is terrible.
Angel. Angel. Say hi, Angel. Say hi, Angel.
Okay, we're done with the bread. Gonna put it in the side. This challenge is for them.
It's not a challenge. It's just making a...
Yeah, making the sub for the kids. Well, their own sub. Yeah. Okay, what you want on your subs?
Tomato.
You want tomato on your subs?
When I say tomato, I say knife.
No, I'm gonna do it. You want tomato?
Yeah. I don't.
Okay, what y'all gonna... Okay, you want one or two?
Two.
Two tomato?
Yeah. This one here.
No, that one is not good. Okay.
The one with the seeds.
There you go. What else y'all want?
Cheese.
You want cheese on your tomato?
Wait, other side.
You're gonna eat it, right? Are you gonna eat it? Okay, you better eat it.
He putting all that weird shit. You ain't gonna eat.
Okay, let's get salad. For it, Sayo. Oh wait, you gotta do it yourself.
Yeah, I gotta
Okay, you're gonna. Okay, let's choose cheese. You want no more salad?
I want some.
Well, go get it. Put it over here so that you could have. Okay. Okay. I think that's good because I don't think he's gonna eat it. For real. Okay. What else? Only one? You could split it so it could cover all the bread. See? Okay. What else y'all want? Sorry, you need help? Yeah.
Please help.
Okay.
This one.
Here.
It's the last one.
You could split it in half.
It's the last one.
Here. Okay. Yeah, that's lettuce. That's good. You want some lettuce? What you want next on your sandwich? You gotta spread it out slowly. There. What else you want next? Wait, you're doing it wrong. It's this side. There. This side, sorry. What else you want?
This.
You want ham? I mean salami?
Yeah. Me too.
Here. Cut it in half. Split it in half. Split it in half. Here, I'll do yours. Let's split it in half. I split it and then you place it, okay? Here. You got 2.
I want 2.
You gotta. Look at how he's.
I want 3, Mom.
There.
I want 3.
There. What else? Where's yours?
I don't want that.
Sayum gave you.
I don't want that.
There.
I don't want it.
Hey, just over here attacking me and shit.
I'm leaving.
Okay, what else? No, Sully. Over here.
I don't like that.
Over here.
Sube,
What else? Y'all want meat?
sube,
No.
Meat?
sube.
You want meat? He's biting my husband. Here.
I think she's going
Meat.
so.
Yeah, you do it.
I don't want.
You want more?
I don't
You want more, Sully?
Mhm.
Yeah.
I don't want none. That's it.
Okay. What else? Y'all want bus off?
Oh, what's that? Yeah,
You know where's the bus off?
In the kitchen, I think.
Wait,
Yeah.
Sully, Sayon, you gotta.
Gotta finish your sandwich, Poppy.
Yeah.
Finish up your sandwich.
I don't like my sandwich is good.
Don't put it. Don't put it on yours.
Don't put on yours. Who wants ball sauce?
Me.
You?
Sayon don't gotta put it.
No, I know.
Put some carne on yours, Sayon.
Carne?
Yeah.
No. I don't want Lieutenant.
You don't want carne?
Yeah.
I don't like none.
More?
Then sit down and finish yours.
Okay, there.
I don't got a spoon and I'm using it. That's it? That's it or more?
That's it.
More.
There. Okay. Okie dokie. Y'all finished?
Yeah.
You finish yours, Sayon?
Saya, you finished yours?
You don't want carne?
You want carne? No?
Huh?
Okay, sit down. You gotta eat yours. Here.
Let's show it for the camera and say bye.
You gotta taste it.
Oh, hey, y'all gonna taste it? Who's
Yeah.
gonna taste it first? So taste yours. Sit down and taste yours,
Taste
Sayon.
yours, Sayo. No, here. You gotta bite it.
You gotta bite it.
Take a bite. Go ahead.
I don't
Take a
think
bite of
Sayo
yours.
like the tomato.
Dale, Sayo. Take a bite. Look good, his.
Take a bite out your sandwich.
Here.
Mmm.
There you go. That's a big bite.
I think I have to
Good on next.
Here. You liked it?
You liked it?
Yeah. Wait. Come here. What number you gave it? 10? 1 to 10.
10.
10. You
Go,
go ahead
go
and
on.
taste it. Let's see. Remember they put salami, cheese, balsas, lettuce,
I'm Mom.
and steak.
Mom.
Hey, you liked it?
You like it? What number? 10.
Truly, your
Taste it,
time.
Truly.
I tasted of it.
No, you didn't. Show the camera. Come on. One bite. One bite.
Show the camera you bite it.
Come on.
Taste it, baby.
Taste it, baby.
See the
You want yogurt? Okay, you gotta taste it. For the camera.
I taste mine.
She took a bite. She took 2 bites without the camera seeing. Okay, what number you take it? 10 or 1 or 5? Which number? 10? 5?
Right?
You don't know, she mad. Okay, this is it. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.
You're going to jail.
And comment if y'all what else we could do. And take it easy. God bless. Be safe out there.
You're going to jail, Mom.
Peace.